There are worlds too small for human eyes.
Yet filled with wonders too great to be forgotten.
Here lived the Minipeople. In small in size,
But endless in heart. Until one night, the sky trembled. Something ancient was falling. Not a star, but something born from them. And she was wounded.
even celestial beings can fall.
Fear whispered. But compassion spoke louder.
But compassion spoke louder.
They chose to help, with hands that trembled. They touched the impossible. Kindness became magic. They sang not to heal the wound, but to heal her fear. The universe remembered her and answered. She was never just a kitten, but a guardian. Awakened by the smallest hands.
At night, fear left their world.
She returned to the stars, leaving light behind.
Even the greatest magic sometimes needs the smallest help.